Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a Dollar Tree sticker video. It's been a while since I've made a video using my Dollar Tree stickers, but I saw a set of stickers and I thought those really caught my eye, and I thought I'd create a card. So let me share with you what I used on the card. For the paper, I used this vintage paper pad from DCWV. I recently purchased this and shared it in a craft haul. I really like this paper and couldn't wait to use it. It's just beautiful paper. Love flowers, the tulle, look, bees, just all kind of stuff. Love. And then I also used from Hobby Lobby these gold adhesive gems. Been having these a long time from Paper Studio. And then this is the stickers that I received in Happy Mail, I believe. I don't remember who gifted these to me, so if you remember who you are, thank you. Maybe comment below. These are, I kept looking at these and thinking I should be able to make something really pretty with this, these stickers. So let me share with you one more thing. I'm sorry. I use these self-adhesive Little Birdie handmade embellishments. I've been having these a long time in my stash. I really like them. And now, let me share with you the card. So here's the card. And as you can see, the little butterflies are almost the same color of the paper, which I really like that. They're kind of like, I don't know, they just almost invisible, but I really like those. And then I layered it up with some basil paper, the black, and then the gold is from Spellbinders. Love their gold paper. And the little gems, I'm telling you, that is such a struggle for me. I've been making cards now for over 10 years, and I still struggle with adding gems and other things to kind of pump up the card. I think that just doesn't look right. I may pull them off and try another location. I don't know. I'm never comfortable using those. So here's my card. Let me know what you think below. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you are a current subscriber, thanks for always supporting my video and watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.